Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
Is related with another keywords, and that is keyword searching. So before that, I want to share that this is our channel, Videated Domain channel. On video section and on playlist you will get all the course for digital marketing, automation testing, Canva tutoring and everything. So visit our page and do not forget to subscribe and share with others. So today we will do our SEO for part 1, and that is this keyword research part 1. So let's click on this video and it will redirect us here, and waiting for few seconds. If you have logged in with your TubeBuddy with your channel, then it will show the ranking of your tags, and it will show the SEO score. So waiting for few seconds, and yeah, it is showing us only 10 score. So let me go to another tab, and I am searching for keyword research for digital marketing. Okay, so I'm going to there, and you can see this one. I am clicking on this one. It has 12k views, and waiting for few seconds. It will load and will show us the SEO score. Let's see if we can take this SEO score, SEO tags and those. And yeah, I think we can take it because it is showing 75 SEO score. So let me go with this one, and I will take this title also. Ranked tags is 3, so I can go with this one. Let's see, our SEO score is only 10, you can see. So I'm going to our edit video section, let's wait for a few seconds. And now I will scroll down. We all know the procedures, right? Scroll down and go to that add tags section, this one. So here, and I am pasting it over there, and scroll up. Now I am taking this title, going to our video, and over this title I will paste it over there. Okay, because it is related with our content, related with our video, and related with our uh, title. So I'm taking this one and I'm going to save it. Let's see, and going to our page again, because I need to refresh my page. So I'm going to our channel again, and over there video section. Again, I want to share that this is our channel and you will get all kinds of video here. So do not forget to subscribe and share to others and learn digital marketing, Canva tutoring, and that automation testing course. Everything you will get on our channel. And we did our SEO for this video, right? That is keyword research part 1. So clicking on this video, we already saw that our SEO score was only 10. So let's see now our SEO score. That is 65. So you can see our SEO score was only 20 and now it is 65. So we can do our SEO like this, and this is how we can increase our SEO score and it will rank up on YouTube channel. So thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.